Whether you run a marketing agency, tech startup, or are an individual realtor, Mailsuite can turn your email into a powerful tool for success. In this video, we'll show you how Mailsuite's features optimize your workflow, helping you close deals faster and communicate smoothly with clients. Imagine you've just sent an important email to a potential client. With Mailsuite, there's no waiting and wondering. You'll get real-time alerts as soon as they open it. If they don't open it within 72 hours, Mailsuite alerts you to follow up. This could be your chance to craft a more engaging subject line to grab their attention. If the mail is read, but still no reply, it's time to refine your follow-up with a targeted proposal to meet their needs. Once the deal is ready to close, Mailsuite keeps things simple. You can send contracts directly for signing in their inbox with the document for signing feature, and you'll get alerts when they open the document. As deadlines approach, Mailsuite keeps you on top of things with reminders if your contract hasn't been reviewed, so you can follow up or make a quick call to keep it moving. With Mailsuite's insights at every stage, you're always in control. You can see your full email tracking history right from your Gmail inbox. Get reminders and explore your document analytics screen. This helps you close deals efficiently and manage your business with confidence.